Wahoo Fitness introduces a whole new category of wearable devices with the TICKR, TICKR Run, and TICKR X. The TICKR family combines traditional heart rate monitoring with motion analytics and memory to track the data you need to train smart, train strong, train free, train perfect. All TICKRs track heart rate and calories burned in real time while you exercise and are equipped with 2 LED lights to easily show device connection and heart rate detection. The TICKRs have both ANT+ and Bluetooth 4.0 capabilities, enabling it to connect to both smartphones and watches. The 8-week Wahoo Burn and Burst training program is designed to burn fat or improve performance by using heart rate to make the workout more effective. The TICKR Run uses the iOS Wahoo Fitness app to display your running smoothness number, which measures running from across 3 dimensions. Bring your training indoors. The TICKR Run can track speed and distance data while on the treadmill and can provide stride rate data. The TICKR X offers advanced motion analytics, like cycling cadence. It also includes memory for all the workouts that don't allow you to keep a smartphone on hand. The TICKR family works seamlessly with over 50 iPhone and Android apps, including Runkeeper, Strava, MapMyFitness, and RunMeter. Sharing and uploading your data is easy. Either email it to yourself or upload it to any of your favorite training programs.